If you've recently acquired the iPhone 15, it's worth considering the accessories that can not only personalize your new device but also provide essential protection. Here's a roundup of some top accessories for the iPhone 15 and 15 Pro that you might want to consider.
Are you struggling to explain your idea? Your audience is not getting what you're trying to say. An animated explainer video is a perfect solution for you. Explainer video simplifies any complex ideas through engaging animations, transitions, voiceovers, and meaningful scripts, which all together create a fun experience for any viewer. And here comes 10 Studio, a team of skilled professionals dedicated to creating engaging explainer videos. With over thousands completed projects, we have the expertise to create explainer videos that break down your message and connect with your audience. Get in touch with 10 Studio today.
Elevate your iPhone 15 Pro experience with the Andobil Easy Relax case, an innovative blend of protection and convenience. Designed with precision, this case serves as more than just a safeguard for your device. Featuring a 360-degree rotatable ring, the Andobil Easy Relax case provides a multitude of viewing angles, ensuring you find the perfect perspective for watching videos, engaging in FaceTime calls, or simply enjoying content in both portrait and landscape modes. Crafted with shock-absorbing materials, this case stands as a fortress against drops and impacts, offering unparalleled levels of protection for your iPhone 15 Pro. The integration of 10 built-in N55 magnets aligns seamlessly with the device, opening up a world of possibilities. Embrace the convenience of MagSafe accessories with ease, as the magnets allow for effortless compatibility with car mounts, chargers, and wallets. The snap-and-go design ensures a hassle-free experience, letting you transition seamlessly between various accessories. Invest in the Andobil Easy Relax case, a thoughtful companion that not only shields your iPhone 15 Pro but also enhances its functionality, making your daily interactions more enjoyable and effortless. Peak Design's iPhone tripod stands out with its robust aluminum frame and impeccable design. Crafted to fold into a shape as compact as a credit card, it exudes quality and durability, reflecting the premium you pay for such craftsmanship. The thoughtful inclusion of a miniature hex key within the tripod legs adds a touch of practicality for on-the-go adjustments. Equipped with a reliable micro-ball head, this tripod allows seamless adjustments to your iPhone's angle during tripod mode. What sets it apart, though, is its magnetic attachment feature, capable of securely connecting to the phone in both vertical and horizontal orientations. This versatility transforms it into an exceptional phone stand even when not actively capturing photos or videos. Notably, the tripod does not demand a specific Peak Design case for compatibility, although opting for one enhances the feeling of a solid connection. Thanks to its MagSafe compatibility, any MagSafe-enabled iPhone effortlessly latches onto its peripheral, ensuring a secure grip whether actively in use or neatly folded away. For those instances when your iPhone tends to get uncomfortably warm, especially during intense gaming sessions or demanding tasks, considering a dedicated cooler could be a savvy move. Take, for example, Razer's offering, a magnetic fan with eye-catching RGB lights. Simply attach it to your iPhone, connect it to a power source via USB-C, and flick the power switch to let it efficiently draw away the heat from your device. Impressively quiet in operation, revealing a noticeable difference in benchmark tests. With the cooler in action, the iPhone exhibited nearly 30% greater stability in performance and consistently delivered higher frame rates over extended periods. This performance boost makes the investment well justified. To customize a cooling experience, you can download the Razer Phone Cooler app. This allows you to sync with the cooler and adjust fan speed settings, choosing from auto, high, and standard modes. Additionally, if you're not a fan of RGB effects, the app gives you the option to turn them off. Moment has finally given its mobile lenses a modern makeover after years of anticipation. The new T-series lenses are tailor-made to harness the enhanced capabilities of contemporary phone cameras, capitalizing on the larger image sensors found in newer models. With a 20% larger aperture, these lenses promise improved levels of performance. The lens elements have been upgraded for clarity and reduced color distortion. To seamlessly integrate these lenses with your iPhone, Moment's camera app becomes a necessity. This app enables you to effortlessly guide the camera to select the appropriate lenses. Accompanying this, you'll need a Moment case, which not only boasts a sleek design and responsive buttons, but also requires a drop-in lens mount for lens attachments. While the case's texture has a stylish appeal, it has a tendency to attract some dirt. Among the lineup, the 14mm fisheye mobile lens, 18mm wide mobile lens, and the 10x macro mobile lens stand out as personal favorites. However, the 58mm tele-mobile lens did not quite make the cut, as we observed a lack of sharpness in the photos, and not just the edges but also at the center of the frame. Interestingly, you don't necessarily need their case to enjoy these accessories. Our experience testing Resident Evil on the iPhone 15 Pro left us frustrated with the touch controls. The abundance of virtual buttons and the challenge of memorizing their positions on the HUD make the gaming experience less enjoyable. With the increasing presence of AAA titles in the App Store, efficient gaming on your iPhone becomes crucial, and that's where the Backbone 1 becomes a game changer. Opt for the USB-C version for compatibility. While not every game supports controllers, the relief of having physical controls when they do is well worth the investment. For those who prefer keeping their iPhones tucked away in a bag to avoid potential scratches from other items, Waterfield Designs offers an appealing solution. Specifically designed for the iPhone 15 Pro Max, this option comes with additional pouches for pens, cards, and cash. The main compartment, secured with a zipper, is spacious enough to accommodate a passport, and a thoughtful touch includes a tiny pouch for AirTags to track the bag in case of loss. Crafted from waterproof X-Pack material, it adds an extra layer of protection, although the waterproof feature is limited to the items within the zipper pouch. For those of us with older vehicles lacking built-in CarPlay, Speck's latest MagSafe accessory provides a handy solution. The MagSafe car vent mount with click lock easily attaches to one of your car vents, allowing you to position your phone for optimal visibility while navigating. With robust magnets, it ensures your handset stays securely in place, resisting slides even during abrupt braking or sharp turns. Once installed, it seamlessly integrates with your dash tools, offering an unobtrusive presence. Adjusting the iPhone's viewing angle is a breeze, and the mount's backside includes built-in cord management for added convenience. So that was all about the best new iPhone 15 and 15 Pro accessories just for you. Which one do you want to buy? We would love to hear from you. Please let us know, and as always, thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video to be helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.